Ha? Dala, ikaw dala. Sa? Day, ikaw drive. Ay. Ikaw dala sa. Kamay day, dalo ni mo day. Ay. Hindi na inanak day.
Hi guys, it's me, Itz Graysia, and welcome to my vlog.
Ding day.
Ding.
Kuhan kitang mang. Kuhan kitang mang. What the na? Ay, hindi ka ba sing jing. Mang.
Bako dito ko pala. That's fine. Clutch. Oh, brake. Oh, tanaw dito. Oh, primera. Sige. Ngana din ha. Oh, wala ya mo. Oh, sige. Hello, primera. Clutch. Anak lagi dah anak wadaan. Kira dah besok. Okey, cepat. Kira dah besok kita apa? Halangan muka, konten dahil na sa dagat. Tanang muli inaptik. Dili sa dagat, wala nakataong. clutch yun. Yes, kamera. Yes, ito na.
Hi guys, it's me, Itz Graysia. Banha!
Ano suran? Ay, kalimtinan nito. Anjing sana.
Ay, video siya. Saan dito kami ngayon?
mag-tiktok.
Wala. Sa ano?
Awag pa ka kani diri day.
Kanina. Diba maganda yung view? Maganda yung ano.
Ang ganda ng view oh. Picture ko atin guys.
Saan mami?
Uy, mukha nang ka.
Okay, oh naman yun.
Ayaw pag segunda. Ayaw na primera mana. Pag primera, pag kuan. Break. Dili break ra. Din kuan. Clutch din segunda. Ayaw sakti. Ngayon. Dili, wala, kurang na. Sige na. Ayaw tayo kuan itaw tayo. Sige. Minor na, minor. Sige, power pa kamay. Pero minor na. Ya. Minor, magkakalayo pa.
I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, drag you in. Pack up here, in. Drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard, we're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack up here, drag you in. Pack up here, in. Drag your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty.
And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Shout out po sa Team Kabergs. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.
You're just what I need.